Here at Cape Fear Flooring and Restoration, we offer professional, dependable, and economical damage restoration, cleanup, and construction service. Damages caused by fire, water, wind, and mold stand no chance against our service. When a disaster strikes, we strive to minimize property damage and to fully restore your home to its previous condition. Utilizing the latest techniques and equipment, we are able to restore carpets, ceilings, walls, wooden floors, and other structural elements of your home. We are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to provide you with emergency damage restoration services, and we'll even directly bill your insurance provider. Cape Fear Flooring and Restoration, 910-213-3886.